Do you know about special products of polynomials? Well, to work with special products of polynomials, there's a formula that you're going to need to know. This is the sum and distance formula, and it says that when you have the quantity a plus b times the quantity a minus b, that it's the same thing as saying a squared minus b squared. In other words, when you multiply these two binomials together, this will be the special product of the two binomials. Let's apply the sum and distance formula to an example. Let's say we have 6x plus 8 times 6x minus 8. Now in this case, the x variable represents the a, and the 8 doesn't have a variable with it, but we can still use it in the same way. So here we would have 6x squared minus 8 squared. 6x squared gives me 36x squared minus 64. This is my answer using the sum and difference formula. Let's take a look at another one. With this one I have 12x minus 4 times 12x plus 4 equals, here I have 12x squared minus 4 squared. Let's start with this. 12x squared would give me 144x squared. Bring over the minus. 4 squared is 16. This is my answer. Now what happens if there's a second variable? Well, we can work with that in the same way. Take a look. Here we have 4x minus 2y times 4x plus 2y. Let's start with the 4x's. So we would have 4x squared minus 2y squared. And the square is outside the parentheses, meaning we're going to work with that square for the whole term inside the parentheses. 4x squared, I have to do 4 times 4, which is 16, x times x, which is x squared, minus 2 times 2, which is 4, y times y, which is y squared. This is the special product of the polynomial. Here I have it, working with the sum and the difference formula. I can apply the formula and come up with my solution.